Alright. Hey? Hey, what's the matter? Now you all need to just relax. Come here. Hello. How you been? Hello. Hello. How are you? You're a Troy boy, I know. I've met you before. Hey? Now this has got to sort of, you've got to sort this out, guys. Hey? Come over here. Come over here. You've got the professor. He's not a bad boy. Hey? You're a good boy, aren't you, Troy? And you're a good boy, aren't you? Hey? You're a good boy. You sure? You sure? You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Alright? So we've established that you're both good boys. Why can't we all get along? Don't bite me. Don't bite me. No. You don't get pats for biting. You get pats for being nice. Relax, relax, relax. Relax. I'm not stopping you from running away. Jeez, you're silly. Look at you. You're such a silly Billy. You're such a silly Billy. Just relax. Just relax. Relax. Oh, you're cheeky. Silly cheeky. Oh, Monica. Go on, step up there. With you, right? What is it with you? You're a big baby, is what you are. I'll get up here and take you, you baby. Right? You're not bird phobic, are you? Right? Oh, you're a baby. You're such a baby. Don't bite me. Right? Don't bite me. Big birds don't get hats. Right? That's it. Oh, he's silly, eh? He doesn't know, don't bite me. He doesn't know, don't bite me. You don't tell him. You don't tell him. You say, shut up, don't bite me. Silly. Oh, you are funny. Yes, you are funny. Yes, you are funny. Eh? Oh, relax. He's not going to hurt you. He's not going to hurt you. No, he's not. Eh? Confidence, guys. You're going to hurt him? No, you're going to hurt him? Don't bite me. No, I don't want you. Don't go. Go away. If you're going to be bitey, you tell him, don't bite me. Go on. Yeah, go away. No, go away. We don't play with bitey birds. Go on. Go away. Off you go. Off you go. Somewhere else. You go and sit with your friends. Where are you going? Oh, you alright? Too slow. Alright, you guys go work it out.